hold on. Dude, check it out. Stargazer's Saloon?
They made stargazers?
I don't know. I'm fucking thirsty, man.
Yeah. Let's
You wanna get a drink?
Let's go in.
Alright.
Is that an old bomb shelter? After you, man.
Oh, this is a freaking dive bar.
Yeah, talking about diving. Diving straight down.
Winning.
Alternate ending.
Game over, man. Game over. It's time for a new face of the tribe.
I am Chick. I am Chick. No. No, give me. Give me. Ah! Drink! Drink! I need drink!
Well, no guns allowed here.
What?
Listen to your surveying maggots, no guns.
Like everything?
Yes,
Not a lot of guns.
All hand them out.
Do we get a claim ticket or something?
Don't worry about that. You got my good eye on both of you. Is this your first day with that gun or something, boy?
You wish.
Alright, is that it?
I'm gonna take care of those.
Move along.
More drink.
No more drink, bitch. You're out of money. Let's go. Come on. Thank you. Let's go.
There's a restless around.
Howdy.
What can I do for you?
Two beers, please.
2 beers, huh?
Yeah.
You 2 men think you can handle opening them on your own?
Yeah. I think so.
Yeah. What the fuck is this? Either renew you or get the fuck out.
No bottle caps?
Renew you. We don't take bottle caps.
Any town west of Megaton takes bottle caps. You don't take bottle caps
Bottle
here?
caps? Honestly, you don't think I don't get enough fucking bottle caps around here? I get a bottle cap out of every fucking bottle.
Hey. I got it, you stinky bastard.
Oh, damn time. Get your fucking bottle caps
This
back.
bartender's a wench.
Drink up, bitches.
Damn.
Here's to you.
We're getting pretty low on credits, man.
I'm down to the bare bones of Renew Yous and bottle caps.
We had that Escondida mission, that went kind of south, and we didn't get paid for that. We're getting low on credits, man. I mean,
We gotta find a fucking
beers
job.
taste good, but
We gotta find a
need
job
a big
right
score.
now.
Big score. Here's the big scores. Big scores and big boobs.
I'm in.
What? Day, buddy.
Back really hurts.
Yeah, 5 hours.
26. How many hours do you add in today?
He's a
I was saying after the first few deaths.
I bet. What's the call?
I'm raising you $20.
$20. I'm in.
Big top and bigger top.
Quarter? We don't accept your quarter and your Baileys. Magic Minstrel. Magic.
I win, you lose. Pay up.
No. I call bullshit.
My money.
No. There ain't no cheating in my bar.
In my town.
I don't think
I own the
so.
woods.
No! I got you!
Oh, here. Out of here. Out of here, maggot. Look. Oh, here. baby. This boss. Sure. Oh, no weapons allowed.
I want this man immediately. I need him alive. I will double the reward.
That's the guy we got.
We need to get out of here.
Let's go.
Hey, cool. God damn, dude.
Man, who was that guy?
How's gonna renew you for this motherfucker?
That could solve our problems
That
really
would
quick.
keep us going for a while.
Yeah.
Where the
This
hell?
guy doesn't look so bad. It looks like he's just high as a kite all the time. I don't know. It looks like he's just kind of explosion.
How are we gonna find this yet?
I don't know. I don't know this planet very well, or this town for that matter. Was it Peaceful Springs again? Piece of shit.
That was the cool.
I might have a little bit of information for you.
Oh yeah?
You guys aren't the first bounty hunters to come looking for that piece of shit.
What do you know?
Well, I don't know. You gotta make it worth my while.
This better be worth the money. How does this quench your whistle?
I heard, you know, just a couple days ago that they possibly have been
Captured. Where?
some little deserted place. Not too far away.
Alright. You got the cords?
Of course I got the cords.
Thanks for the help.
Yeah. Just remember this later on.
We should probably scout that place out, I think. So we kind of know what we're looking up against. Thanks, darling.
No problem, sweetness.
See you later, Tips McGee.
Hold up. I think we're getting close.
Yeah.
This was the place that bartender told us about. Should be just around this bend.
I know. Their bombs kind of was just put in there like hours ago. So
We're lucky we're the only ones here and we should wipe out the guards and take them easy.
yeah, but I bet that bartender told a bunch of other bounty hunters about this. We could run into some serious shit going in here.
Who's lips think shit.
Exactly. Get out that binocs. Let's
Check
go.
out. Watch for me.
Yep. Let's go right now. What do you see over there?
God damn it. At least 6 groups are already here.
Man, we couldn't trust that wench. I thought we'd have to jump on him. This would be easy and clean. Now we're gonna have to fight our way all the way through there. There's gonna be just people everywhere. Room fire. Better get your 6 guns ready.
Didn't say we weren't gonna earn it.
Yep. We gotta take him out. Hey. Flank over there. Move out. So.
Well, he knows my range. He knows my range. Ah!
No, you guys are fucked. He's not gonna let me stay in here. 7 people. I hope you guys got lots of bullets. I don't see what you think is so damn funny.
They're all gonna die.
They're not gonna choose targets.
They're all gonna die.
Well, let me lucky if they don't burn this thing to the ground with us locked up in here. Enjoy that beer. Enjoy it, crazy bitch.
Just like from a buck cherry.
Oh, you like classical music? I noticed you're wearing a, what is that, Disturbed? I like classical music too. Uh-oh. And so it starts.
Oh my God!
I hope you enjoy living.
Wipes.
Andy down here?
I'm ready. Can't
Don't
finish
run
my
out,
beer.
Chris. It's a bad idea.
We can all live. You can Tetro.
You might want to down that beer a little faster. Before long, we'll all be dead.
We should do an uncut commentary of you guys. Just an extra on the video. Or maybe Kai from talking about it.
You okay?
They're flanking.
Oh, it sounded that.
You're gonna like the sound of this if you don't shut up in there. That's right.
Defense battle here at the jungle. They're everywhere. Bounty hunters, savages. You got the sheriff coming out for a piss.
They can't protect us.
That was off the hat. The grip.
Are they here to save us?
No, they're here to kill us.
Whew, saved by the hat.
Kill me. They'll probably just kill you because you're dumb and ugly looking.
Right in the chin, I'm gone. Hit your head.
Yeah.
Tekro's gonna burn this fucking place to the ground, man. We're all gonna die.
Don't listen to
At
him.
least they're burning.
Inmates are crazy in this town. Can't even handle it anymore. I have to protect this. Why?
Guys, if you're listening, man, I'm gonna save this fucking planet. Tekro's, just let him sell his sex bots and stuff. He doesn't need to be in charge of the Renew. That's too much power, man. It's going to his head. Never gonna fucking get out of this day alive. Never!
Oh, come on, man. I'll let you live if you let me live. Okay. All right.
Blood rage! Ah! I get scared when Joe points his gun at me. Oh, Travis, you just fell down. Oh, there's a window! I just like crawling.
I mean, you gotta respect him. He did perfect the sex bot, but this is just wrong.
Welcome to Sex Bots R Us.
Yeah.
Dead, Travis? Yeah, I'm sorry. Uh-oh. Got your arm. Drive. Or am I? Ah, I got him. Stomach. The one they call Barry. What is this? Are you dead? Oh. Damn it. Oh, it hurts. Better be fucking dead, Joe.
Got the cameraman in the head.
But be careful.
Oh shit! They're coming in through the back wall. Watch out, Bomber.
I'll get it later.
God, this place smells like butt sex and broken dreams.
What? Jordan!
Oh, sorry.
Cover me, I'm reloading. This Dr. Bonskanovich, we're here to get you out.
Uh-oh. Those guys are scared.
Oh, that's a headshot.
Oh, look at them burn.
We're getting you out of there, buddy. Don't worry about it.
I don't know, buddy. Those guys are scarier than shit.
Get out of there. Get out of there. Return fire. Return fire. Watch that backside. Watch that backside.
Things are getting crazy in here.
Oh, yeah. Jesus. There's tech road. Hear that sound? Incoming death.
Get up in now, brother. You're good. Help me, man. It's freaking hurt. Oh, shit. Listen to the stumbling shot.
Gotcha.
I shot your leg.
We're fucking toast.
I'm dead. I just want to see what this thing looks like.
This is where it happens, Pussy Biscuit. This is where it happens.
Last breath.
It all goes down.
Good shot. Got a tail. Are you dead? He's not dead. Now are you dead? Pretty sure a nut shot's a kill. I don't have any bullets either, Andy. I'm shooting arrow at you. We can go take them? Yes.
Oh shit. Just when I fucking got the door unlocked. Son of a bitch.
Come with me. Where am I going? Back to my base?
Are you alive? You're dead now! Are we all still with it? Well, except for the guy who just shot who's on my team.
Let's just kill this guy. What is he worth? What are you worried
You all
about?
that in there?
I got
Go!
Okay.
Walk! We gotta lay down the fire.
Get up, Pussy Biscuit! Get up! Kill these fuckers!
Oh, my arm fell! Oh, I can take a shot! I can take a shot! You! You liar! Kevin! Let's go, brother! Let's go, you! Oh! Oh, God damn it, I never have fun. Using the camera!
What's going on, Pussy Biscuit? You go out there and kill some... Oh, no, come on. It's, hey, I gave you a beer while we were in jail. Holy shit. Remember where your friends are. Fuck. Stable. Well, you're cool, Sally.
So brave.
Oh! Brother! I'm down. It's only you now. Let's do this on
Manhandles like fucking house. Okay, guys. What did you do? Kevin! He's a teammate.
Never met him $80.
Is it just you and me?
It is now.
Hey guys, it's like a trigger happy.
Why not?
I got some shit that'll save the planet. Hey, I'm gonna be dead in 10 minutes. Might as well get some cancer while I'm at it. Uh-oh. Okay. Uh-oh. Oh shit. Better look out, man. They're coming.
All right, boys. Hand them over. So much. Thank you so much. We're gonna leave now. See you later. See you later. Thank you. We clear back there, bro. Yeah.
We lost him. Hell yeah! Fuck over here. Nice job, buddy. Yeah! Get your ass up. Come on. Get up, you bum. Man, this Tekro guy's gonna be stoked that we got him.
What the fuck?
Easy,
You guys
this
don't.
is the guy. This is what they were after.
Fucking that. You just stole me from Tekro.
What are you talking about? Why the hell would he send a bunch of bounty hunters and then go get you himself?
Because he's fucking paranoid, man. He doesn't trust anybody. He doesn't trust anybody, and that's because he's trying to fuck everybody over, man. No, it's cool. Don't shoot, man. For real. You guys are just in it for the money, right?
Yeah. I don't want to shoot you. I just want to decap you a couple times. You'll live.
Would not suggest that. You'll have to carry me. No, but really, think about it, man. He's got everybody on this planet mining that shit. There's nobody doing anything. He's selling everything that you guys need to you, making money from the you, making money from the imports, and nobody can do anything on this fucking planet except dig that shit up.
So he's a job creator. What the hell's wrong with that?
Well, of course he's creating jobs, but the thing is he makes all the money and pays everybody shit. I mean, I got a way to do this where you'd have 3/4 of the population freed up to make shoes and shit and do anything else they want besides digging a hole in the ground.
So you think you can make this cheaper than Tekro?
Oh yeah, we'll pump it out, man. I got nanotechnology fracking, man. You just put one of these tiny robots in the ground and it just breaks it up and brings it right out of the fucking ground.
Are you listening to this guy? Are you really buying his BS? I mean, he's easy money, man. We should take him back to Tekro.
Like, you can have your easy money, or I can give you some slightly more difficult money and you can be fucking heroes. Put your face on money.
Hero, man. Oh man, that sounds like a lot of work.
Besides, you know he's just gonna kill everybody. I mean, that's the only way that he can fucking keep his shit secret. You can't have anybody alive after this.
All right, I need to talk about it. Don't move, buddy. It's the floor, nerd. Oh. All right, come here. All right, I don't know. Some of what this guy says is really ringing true with me. Hey, remember what the Silver Fox says. Don't get too attached to your bounty, okay? Okay. Sounds like I'm not getting attached. I'm not getting attached. I'm just saying, if we can do a little good, make a little money, whole town loves us, what's the harm? I want some cheap mining beer and some dirty women. Man, we do this favor for this town, they will worship us like gods. The women will be non-stop. We'll be swimming in women. Women and women. A sea of ovaries. All right, that sounds pretty good. All right, get up.
Jesus Christ.
Get that.
Oh, Jesus.
I got a special deal for you, my friend.
All right.
We're going to give you one chance.
Okay.
If you're bullshitting us, you'll be wearing a bullet for a headband, okay?
Okay, no problems, man.
So what do you need from us?
Okay, we got to get to this cache where I have a single nanite. That's the mother nanite. It'll build all the others by itself.
Okay, how do we get there?
Just right down here through the valley.
The valley.
Yeah.
All right, let's roll.